Students, today we'll continue with English chapter 2.2, the three questions. In the last lecture we had seen that the king makes announcements, and when he does not get a convincing answer from all those who had come to him, then he sets out because he had heard that the hermit was a wise person and he could get his answers from him. So we had seen in the last lecture that the king had come to him and told him that I want to know the answers to these three questions. Now we'll see what were the questions that he asked. I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer three questions. Now these are the three questions he wanted to be answered. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? The hermit's first question was कि how can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? कौन सा काम मुझे सही टाइम पे करना चाहिए? Then who are the people I most need and to whom should I therefore pay most attention? तो मेरी लाइफ में कौन से लोग हैं जो मेरे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, इम्पोर्टेंट है, और इसके लिए मुझे किस पर ध्यान देना चाहिए? And the last question was, and what affairs are the most important and need my first attention? तो मेरी लाइफ में इतना कुछ चलता है, तो मेरे लाइफ में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या है? कौन से काम मुझे किन काम को देना चाहिए इम्पोर्टेंस, और किस चीज़ को मेरा अटेंशन पहला मिलना चाहिए? तो दीज वर द थ्री क्वेश्चंस दैट द हर्मिट वांटेड टू बी आंसर्ड. Then further we see the hermit listened to the king but said nothing. He just spat on his hand and resumed digging. Now the hermit listened but he did not answer a thing. He spat on his hand. उसने अपने हाथों पे थोड़ा थूक लगाई और फिर से digging continue किया. The king watched in silence for a while. Then feeling sorry for the hermit, he said, You are tired. Let me take the spade and work a while for you. Then the king was watching the hermit. He said that I suppose you are tired. Let me take the spade, जो खुदाई का एलिमेंट होता है ना, डिग करने का, वो, and dig it for you. The hermit silently handed over the spade and sat down on the ground. The hermit gave him the spade and he quietly sat on the ground. When he had dug two beds, the king stopped and reported his questions. Beds, now beds are square sheets dug on the ground, तो उसको बेड्स बोलते हैं. तो जब टू बेड्स डिग करके हो गया किंग का, तो अगेन ही रिमाइंडेड द hermit the questions that he asked. The hermit again gave no answer but rose, stretched out his hand for the spade and said, Now rest a while and let me work a bit. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. तो जब फिर से किंग ने उसे याद दिलाया, तो उसने क्या किया? फिर उसने उसे कुछ आंसर नहीं दिया. He rose, he got up, stretched his hand out और बोला कि अभी स्पेड मुझे दे दो और तुम अभी रेस्ट करो. लेकिन किंग ने उसे स्पेड नहीं दी and he continued to dig. 1 hour passed and another. The sun began to sink behind the trees, and the king had last stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise one, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me none, please say so, and I will go home. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. Let us see who it is. अभी यहाँ पे पूरा दिन ऐसे ही निकल गया है. ओके. सन बिगेन टू सिंक बिहाइंड द ट्रीज, यानी कि शाम हो गई. फिर एट लास्ट वो किंग भी थक गया और उसने स्पेड को ज़मीन में ही लगा दिया. एंड ही सेड टू द hermit, आई हैड कम टू यू सो दैट आई कुड गेट आंसर्स टू माई क्वेश्चन, बट इफ़ यू डोंट हैव एनी आंसर्स प्लीज टेल मी सो, देन आई विल गो होम. देन द hermit turns his attention towards someone who was coming running. So the hermit said to the king, Let us see who it is. The king turned round and saw a bearded man come running out of the forest. तो जैसे ही किंग ने देखा तो उसने देखा कि एक बियर्डेड मैन, बियर्डेड मीन्स दाढ़ी वाला मैन, ही केम आउट फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट, ही केम रनिंग टूवर्ड्स देम. द मैन held his hands pressed against his stomach and blood was flowing from under them. तो जो आदमी भागते हुए आ रहा था, he was pressing his hand against his stomach and blood was flowing from that wound. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground, moaning feebly. So when he reached to the king, वो गिर गया, बेहोश हो गया. Fainted means he was unconscious and he fell to the ground, moaning feebly. Moaning यानी कि crying in pain, and feebly means very weak. So the king and the hermit unfastened the man's clothing. Unfastened यानी they removed his clothing. There was a large wound in his stomach. The king washed it as well as he could and bandaged it with his handkerchief and a towel the hermit had. So they removed his clothes, cleaned the wound. The king cleaned his wound, washed it well and bandaged it with his handkerchief and the towel the hermit had. But the blood would not stop flowing. तो blood जो है वो रुक ही नहीं रहा था. And the king again and again removed the bandage soaked with warm blood and washed and rebandaged the wound. तो किंग क्या कर रहा था, बार बार उसकी पट्टी जो है जो पूरी ब्लड में भीगी हुई थी निकाल के उसे क्लीन करके अगेन ही वॉज बैंडेजिंग द मैन. When at last the blood stopped flowing, the man revived and asked for something to drink. तो at last the blood stopped and the man revived यानी कि वो अपने सेंसेस में आ गया था. एंड asked for something to drink. Then उसने पूछा कि मुझे कुछ पीने के लिए मिल सकता है क्या. The king brought some fresh water and gave to him. Then the king gave him some water to drink. Meanwhile the sun had set and it had become cool. So the king, with the hermit's help, carried the wounded man into the hut. The man lay there quietly with his eyes closed. अभी सन सेट हो चुका था, रात हो चुकी थी. तो किंग की मदद से एंड विद द किंग विद द हर्मिट्स हेल्प, हर्मिट की मदद से वो मैन को उठा के वो लोग हट के अंदर लेके गए. द मैन ले देयर क्वाइटली विद हिज आईज क्लोज्ड. बाय नाउ द किंग वॉज सो टायर्ड आफ्टर हिज वॉक एंड द वर्क ही हैड डन दैट ही ले डाउन हिमसेल्फ एंड ऑल्सो फेल अस्लीप. तो किंग भी पूरे दिन के काम से और जो वॉक उन्होंने की थी to come into the forest to the hermit, so he was also tired because of his activities the whole day, and he also lay down and also fell asleep. When he awoke in the morning, it took some time to remember where he was and who was the strange bearded man lying by his side and gazing intently at him. This thing happened to us only when we are, we have gone somewhere out, we are in some other place, and in the morning we get up suddenly, then we realize that hey, this is not our house, where are we? So the king was in the same position. So the king also took time to recall that what and how he had come here. And then when he remembered everything, he saw the bearded man was gazing at him intently. Intently means very eagerly. Forgive me, said the bearded man in a weak voice, when he saw that the king was awake and was looking at him. Then when the king saw him and the bearded man noticed that the king is looking at him, he said, "Forgive me." Then the king said, I do not know you and I have nothing to forgive you for, said the king. तो किंग ने बोला कि मैं तो तुम्हें जानता ही नहीं है और मेरे पास कुछ है नहीं कि मैं तुम्हें माफ़ी दूँ, ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है कि मैं तुम्हें माफ़ करूँ. Then you do not know me, but I know you. I am that enemy of yours who swore to revenge himself on you.